Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a quick release wheel to a through-axle setup. While a direct swap is rarely possible, you can often achieve this by replacing your existing hub with a compatible through-axle model. This process typically involves disassembling your current wheel and rebuilding it with the new hub. Alternatively, some specific hubs might offer conversion kits, but these are less common. To successfully convert, you will primarily need a new hub designed for a through-axle. This new hub must match your frame's rear spacing, commonly 142 mm or 148 mm for boost spacing, and your front spacing, often 100 mm or 110 mm. Additionally, you'll need a through-axle that fits your frame and the new hub. Carefully check the spoke count and flange dimensions for your rim. The most common conversion method involves a complete wheel rebuild. First, you'll carefully unlace your existing wheel, removing the old quick-release hub. Next, you'll lace the new through-axle compatible hub into your current rim, ensuring correct spoke tension and pattern. Finally, the wheel must be meticulously trued and dished using a truing stand and dishing tool to ensure it runs perfectly straight and centered. This process can take several hours. Before proceeding, carefully consider the overall cost. A new high-quality hub can cost upwards of $100, plus the expense of new spokes and professional wheel building, which might add another $50 to $100. Often, purchasing an entirely new through-axle wheel set offers better value and performance. Always confirm your bike's frame and fork are actually compatible with through-axles before investing in parts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.